Megan again here on the Lawson Farm. Hope everybody's doing good today. I'm going to be making some fried chicken tonight, so I'm going to teach y'all how to cut up a whole bird in individual pieces. You can do it just to have the individual pieces like I'm going to fry the chicken, or if you want chicken breast, like to grill them or anything like that, instead of roasting the entire chicken. You can definitely cut it up into the different parts. It's cheaper than buying individual cuts at the grocery store if you just buy the whole bird. So that's what I like to do, and plus I like to use the bones, of course, to make my chicken broth. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is, of course, your chicken. This is about a 3-pound chicken that I have here. And you'll need a good sharp fillet knife. So that's what I'm going to be using. We're going to start with the wings, okay? So we're going to pull the little wing up, and we're going to find the joint in this wing. But you can see where it is because it's where it bends here. So we're going to cut that. And we're going to get that joint apart. Okay? See there? There is me a chicken wing. I'm going to put that in my pan right there. We're going to turn it over. We're going to do the other side. And as you get in there, you can find that joint a little easier. So just look for where that bone bends at. There's my other chicken wing. What we're going to cut off is the chicken leg or drumstick and the thigh. So we'll cut those off together. So we're going to want to lay the chicken on its back, just like that, okay? And we're going to take it, we're going to pull that drumstick out. And we're just going to kind of follow. Once you cut open that skin, you can see which direction it goes in. Can y'all see that there? So we're just going to follow that down, okay? And we're going to get that thigh and that leg off. And we're going to find that joint. See it just popped there. The skin's the toughest part to get through when you're cutting these up. Alright, so there is my thigh and my drumstick that we've gotten off. Of course, we'll do the same to the other side. But I'm going to go ahead and show y'all we're going to cut these apart. So we're going to find the joint again. I want to make sure I'm cutting it in the right spot, guys. Alright. Go ahead and get that apart, hopefully. Just popped, there we go. Alright, so we have the little thigh here. We've also got our pretty little chicken leg. Alright. So I'm going to show you again on the other side here. So we've got our leg. Pull the leg towards you. Make that skin a little tight. Okay. And you just follow that line. Find that joint. There it is. Alright. There's our leg and our thigh again, and I'll go ahead and separate those. Next thing we're going to do is get our breasts off. So we want to turn it breast side up. Okay. Got those two big ones there. We're going to find the bone in the middle, and we're going to pull where we cut those wings off, okay? So we've got a bone here that we're going to pull.
Bone where?
I got a little man over here helping me. Right here where my hand is. See there? Don't touch it though. Alright, and we're going to make us an incision if I can get through that tough skin. We're going to come all the way across through here.
So, Mom, what are the wings?
I done got the wings in there, baby.
Got the wings in where?
Alright, and we're going to cut that breast off. And y'all, I never claimed to be a butcher, so this is just the way that I do it. Alright, there's one of my pretty chicken breasts. I just followed that bone right along in there. Alright, so we're going to pull that out again where we cut those wings. We're going to find this bone. We're going to go straight down along that bone. Don't get my camera, baby. Alright. We're going to get that breast meat out of there.
Mama, it's right there, the chicken leg.
Uh-huh.
Have you ever eaten a chicken leg before?
Well, sure. Alright. So there's my other breasts there. So we just followed that bone. Alright. So I still have a little bit of meat left on here, so I'm going to cut some of that off. That's part of the breast meat. That's probably one of the hardest parts for me to get off. Like I said, I never claimed to be a butcher, but it can be done. Folks, and that's how I cut up a chicken. Like I said, never claimed to be a butcher or anything. You know, I know I probably don't do it perfect, but it works for me. We'll be making some fried chicken here in a little bit, so that's going to be really good. Keep an eye out. I hope to make a video about that. Hopefully. You know how life goes sometimes. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. Sorry I haven't made a video in I think it's been a week or two since I put out one. But, you know, living life with a family, working full-time and all that, sometimes it's not always possible. But I'm going to keep trying because I sure am enjoying y'all's company and y'all's support. But if you have not already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you haven't checked me out on Facebook, check out True Grit Southern Cooking and Canning on Facebook. That's where I started all of this about a year ago. Or I have a new Instagram page. It's TG_Cooking and Canning, Southern Cooking and Canning. So anyways, I hope everybody has a blessed rest of your day. Happy Sunday to you, and I'll talk to y'all next time.